afternoon to all the dignitaries here and the faculty coordinators and my fellow trained mentors. My name is Deepthi. I am from Sheshadri Rao Gudlavalleru Engineering College, which is in Gudlavalleru, Krishna district. And at first day of this 3 days training program, I don't have any knowledge on the sensors, but at the first day of inauguration, Sir has said that students already know about these sensors than us. But I don't know why, even though if they know about it, then what is the need of us to go on there and to teach them? In second half program, I have seen one energetic boy and a girl who is a first class topper and last bencher who are very good at these projects especially. And he taught me about the sensors even better than sir. And I not want to discourage sir, but he had explained me about that sensor, ESP32 model, how they used in many applications. So in that, we have seen that. Okay, that's fine. I asked him, what is your biggest project? He said, smart automation house. I have asked, do you want to stop this project up to now? Then he said me that, no, if any advancement is needed for that project, I will go through it. Actually, he used only sensors and the normal electric wires. I have said that, yeah, it's very good, it's an automation project, but still there is a need of advancement. There are many emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning. There, at that point, I realized the need of this mentorship to us to teach them, because he's just stopped for that automation, right? By adding my technical skills, as I belongs to artificial intelligence and machine learning, I have taught him that there is a deep learning concepts which can also advance your project. So by this, I got the very encouragement to learn about these sensors especially. So next day, that means the third day, I got very curious to learn this. I have started with Arduino piano. It was very interesting. Later, I have learned how to do a gaming using blocks, which is very interactive for the students, especially. Even if they don't know the entire coding languages, coding programs like us, they can also build the entire programming, right? They can also learn the Python code more than us. So this is what I have learned in this session. I think it's very much important. So I have learned this in my perspective. That's my experience. Thank you for giving this program and this opportunity, sir. Thank you all. Thank you.
Good, thank you.